Welcome to Gracefully EUT's channel. All my returning subscribers, you are all welcome. Thank you for your continuous support. And if it's your first time coming across my video, please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button. Click on the first notification bell. This enables you get notified each time I upload a new video. Well, this video today is a very simple and short video of how to make the perfect avocado salad for weight loss, and it can be so filling and satisfying without you thinking of eating another food. So if you try this recipe, I hope it works out for you, and don't hesitate to try.
Avocado was wisdom. He gave me what I'm missing. I made the greatest decision to give my life away to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. It's what I'm living for. I ain't got no regret. I can't let go. Holy Spirit flow. I got my treasure and my peace in Jesus. People in the street, we ain't gotta live in no shame, we ain't gotta live in no pain, because God can transform ya. He make it sunny like California. If you don't know where to go, Jesus is the way. Yeah, everything.